'Twas the days before Christmas. It is a few days before Christmas. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw me some beans on the stove. I picked them, cleaned them, and hey, I threw them in a pot. They're gonna cook for about 4.5 hours, almost 5 hours. I'm using turkey, beef, and I'm using the smoked turkey leg. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let them simmer down and cook. Saying it's nothing like remixing your food, okay? Leftovers, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them down in the pressure cooker and I'm just gonna let them rock out. They're gonna steam down and be delicious. So I'm pretty much gonna grab my burrito shells and I'm just gonna, hey, roll them up and cook them. Like, it's gonna be so good. I know it. I know it. So here I'm just gonna add the ingredients. I'm gonna put the cheese in. Okay, you see that I already put some cream cheese in there just to give it a little, a different little spin or whatever. I'm gonna roll these burritos up and they're gonna be good. Of course, I want them a little crispy too. So I'm gonna put them down in that cast iron skillet and I'm gonna fry them up. And voila, there it is. Yum. It's nothing like a good old tamale. I finally wore that shirt that I got from Five Below. It is nothing like a tamale during this time of the season. And I got spicy green verde, okay? Tamale. That's what I got. It's all wrapped up. Look. It looks so good. And it smells so good too. And it's all chicken. And I'm just gonna put mine on a saucer and make myself some coffee. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Okay. What's up, everybody? If you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. Okay. Happy holidays, by the way. I hope you're doing lovely. I hope you're doing beautifully well. If you like my type of content, of course, I would love if you would hit subscribe, okay? Like the video and share it if you like. Okay, so I just want to share with you my tamale. And I'm about to eat it. Yum. It's gonna be so good. So as you can tell, coziness. I like to have my everything planned out already for the holidays. I like start doing around August. This is money allocated towards this. I do not break the bank, okay? I like to shop, for things that are on clearance, on sale. This is what I do over here on my channel. So get familiar if you're new here to my content. So I have on a cozy outfit. It's chill, all affordable. Okay, so I will make sure that I leave the videos that relates to my videos or this video. They will be up in the cards down in the description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen. So you'll see that too. So I'm just loving my outfit. Like I said it before, and I'm about to, eat the breakfast that I cooked, and this is what it looks like. And yeah. I done had breakfast, had brunch. Now it's time for dinner. This is what I'm going to whip up. And of course, I'm going to have that Marie Callender pie. I didn't add it to the clip, but that is the sweets that we're going to have. And if somebody wants some cookies, then yeah. But I'm just going to season up the hens here. And yeah, I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to put some sage on it just to give it like a poultry seasoning. I'm going to put some salt and black pepper on it, and some lemon pepper and some onion powder, and yeah. And I'm going to put something else on it, but I didn't share that in the clip. I'm going to toss some flour on them, and I'm going to put them in the deep fryer. You feel me? Okay. Yes. These came out so yummy. So I will be trying this method again. I love how my sides came out. Just something simple. Cornish hens. I did some green beans and rice and some sweet rolls. I do have a pie. And yeah, so yeah, let's get into the, next clip. Happy holidays. I so want to just open these gifts right now. Like, today is the day, so can we just go ahead and get the gifts out the way? A ring light. First off, I want to thank each and every person that ended up buying me something. So if I show your gift, then if you know it come from you and you do watch my content, thank you. And I do a lot of voiceovers because it's like so noisy. It gets so noisy up in here, so I'm not able to like just talk on the videos. And I do apologize for that, but it's like nothing that I could do about that. So yeah. And it is a 10-inch. Okay. So thank you so very much. I appreciate it. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this ornament. Okay, thank you. I think this came from my brother. So I have a pretty ornament right here. Ooh, this is cute. Look at this. That's pretty. Okay. And I have a black sweater. Oh, it looks so warm. It's a cardigan? Yep. So, something I'll be able to wear for work. Okay, love that. I have, oh, let's see. Okay. A belt. Okay, it's a nice leather belt. Okay, belt. Oh, and I have the tall socks. The tall socks. Okay, so thank you. I appreciate it. I really, really, really do. And I have some sunglasses too. Okay, thank you. This is a candle here. This is called Crispy Treats by Mainstay. That smells good. I have this Oscar set right here. So I needed this, so yeah. Okay. Because I'm so tired of the red ones. So love it. Thank you so very much. I appreciate each and every one that blessed me on today. Oh, apron. An apron. Some socks. Some bowls. Some scarves. So I will be wearing these next holiday. Maybe the gloves now. And I have this cute picture here. It says deck the halls. So I will put that somewhere. Isn't that a cute bag? That is such a cute, cute bag. I think I'm going to recycle this bag. So thank you. Somebody got me a ticket. Thank you so very much. And I like these right here. These are the room incense, and it smells so good. So I will be using that. Oh, this is too cute. Look at that. Merry and bright. So I will be putting this out for next season. Yes, I will. This is too cute. Look, a Seeds candy. Oh, that's cute. Isn't that cute? And look at this right here. Oh, and it got a snowman on it. These are like thoughtful gifts. And this is too cute too. This is so adorable. So I love it. This is Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea always has been a hit. This is Bath and Body Works. I didn't even know it was a mug in here. See, I'm one of the ones that opens up all of my gifts. And look at this. This one smells really good. Thank you. Listen here. See, I'm one of those ones that you can shop for easily. I'm not. I'm an easy person to shop for because I like everything cozy, socks and everything. Yeah, so I'm grateful. So I'm gonna open this up. This was so thoughtful. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This is so cute. This is like, and I thought it was an ornament, but I guess you could just sit it out. So, oh, that's cute. So I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, it's a fleece sweater in here. It's green, so I got that. And this is another one. It's like a peachy. This says it's a terry spa dress. So when I get out of the, the water, put that on. And then these are some shoes. Okay. Like a heel. I need to try these on and make sure I can fit them. Thank you.
Okay. And then there's something else down in here. Ooh, this one is a...
Oh, yep. Okay. And it lights up. So that's pretty. I think it may need some batteries. I need to put some batteries in here. So that's pretty.
I want to wish you and yours the happiest season. I hope that your new year 2025 is filled with joy and it will be abundant. I will see you back on my next video. And if there's a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards down in the description box, or it will show up at the end screen. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.